Welcome to another tutorial video, and in this short tutorial video I'll show you how to buy the BOME meme coin. It's easy to get this token. All you need to do is simply open up your Google Chrome, and once you've opened up your Google Chrome, log on to coinmarketcap.com, link in the description of the video. Now, the Book of Meme is a token that launched on the Solana network or the Solana blockchain. So simply copy its Solana contract address, scroll down a bit, and you'd find the exchanges where the token is being sold. For centralized, we have Binance. For decentralized, we have Radium and Jupiter. So all you need to do now to be able to get this token on a centralized exchange is minimize and open up your Binance application. Once you've opened up Binance, make sure you have an account on Binance. If you do not have an account on Binance, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account. So guys, you're on Binance. How can you buy the BOME meme coin? Click on the deposit icon you find. Once you select a deposit, you could choose to deposit any cryptocurrency you hold outside of Binance. Any cryptocurrency on Binance here can be easily converted into the USDT or into the BOME. You're converting into the USDT so you can get some BOME tokens, or you could convert directly into the BOME itself. So once you've gotten some crypto, if you have fiat that you wish to deposit in Binance, the more icon, click on this more icon, and you'd find deposit fiat down here. So click on deposit fiat, showing you how you can deposit your fiat tokens ranging from US dollar, that's the US dollar, to the Australian dollar, to so many fiat currencies. And once you found one, you could easily deposit using any depositing method shown. So guys, once you've been able to deposit cryptocurrency on Binance, head to the wallet section at the bottom right, scroll from the overview to the spot or funding, depending on where your cryptocurrency is stored. And once you're on Binance, once you found the cryptocurrency of your choice, once you found the cryptocurrency you deposited, click on the home icon, select the convert option that's shown. Once you've selected convert, all you need to do is simply convert from a token into the BOME. So click on data and select Book of Meme, and you could easily convert any cryptocurrency that you hold into the token by entering an amount, let's say 0.5, and then click on preview conversion and easily convert into the BOME tokens. Now, another option of getting the BOME token is with a decentralized exchange, being Jupiter. So in order to access this decentralized exchange, you're going to need a Solana wallet, and the Solana wallet we're using for today is the Phantom wallet. So simply open up your Phantom wallet, and once your Phantom wallet has opened up, make sure you deposit some Solana tokens. If you remember, the BOME token is on the Solana blockchain, so you're going to need some Solana for it. If you do not have Solana, you could easily click on the deposit option to deposit some Solana from a centralized exchange. So once you've gotten yourself some Solana on Binance, once you've gotten yourself some Solana on the Phantom wallet, head to the browser icon at the bottom right. Once you've clicked on the browser icon at the bottom right, where we have the Jupiter DeFi, click on Jupiter, and you'd be sent to the platform where you could easily trade your Solana tokens for some other cryptocurrencies. So where we have the token that we're paying, which is going to be in this case the Solana, and then we're going to be converting it into the BOME. So paste the link for the BOME token, click on Book of Meme, click on confirm selection, and now easily enter an amount of Solana you wish to convert into the BOME token. So click on swap, pending approval, and simply confirm your transaction. So once you click on confirm and the token has been confirmed, head to your wallet, perform a simple reload, and you'd find the BOME token on your wallet, the Book of Meme. Here we go. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.